Kansas Fishing Outdoors. Today I have something quite interesting, and it's a old Silstar Starlight Pro bait casting reel. I found this in a box of old reels in my garage, so I said, what the hell, I'm gonna go ahead and team it up with a Daiwa Tierra rod. It already had some heavy line on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it up for some catfishing. It sounds kind of funny, but it's going to be fun, and it's all going to be on video for everyone to see. Let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to rig this up. This sure is a messy Jeep. Alright. So I have a snap swivel with about a 1 ounce weight on there, and all I'm gonna do is just a simple rig here. Then I have a standard barrel swivel. This is the brass ones that I'm gonna go ahead and tie on after that. Just the way I do it. I'm not saying it's the right way, not saying it's the wrong way, but that's what it should look like right now. And then what I do is I make sure I got a little extra line to work with here. And what you're going to do is go up about 6 inches, and you're going to cut it off. That's going to create your leader line, and you're just going to retie it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tie on a Team Catfish double action hook. This is about a 6/0, I believe. And there you have it, you're ready for the water. Hook, line, and sinker.